Welcome back. Meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here with a live look in Richmond on our Bluegrass Pace Care Sky View. Beautiful conditions out there right now. We did see some rain move through overnight, and that led to a wet start to your morning hours, but the sunshine is out now. Breeze is relatively light, and we've got pretty calm conditions out there across central and eastern Kentucky. We're already at 61 in Richmond. Southwesterly wind at 8 miles per hour is going to help aid those temperatures, bump them up by the afternoon. Another warm one on the way today. Not quite record warmth, I don't think, because the records are much warmer today than what they were yesterday, the daily records. Some areas may rival the upper 70s, near 80s, but I think many places will stay in the mid to upper 70s. But much colder air is on the way for your Friday. Cold front moves through tonight. That's really going to drop those temperatures tomorrow morning, likely into the low to mid 30s for a lot of folks, and we're going to reach the upper 40s by the afternoon hours. Now, we do have some active weather on the way this weekend. It's not going to be a washout by any means. Some rain chances, especially early Saturday into southern Kentucky. Another chance of rain late in the day on Sunday. And that leads to a pretty strong system that'll be moving through on Monday. Max HU radar right now showing some rain only into far eastern Kentucky. We were seeing a lot of this elsewhere earlier. You can see that has moved from the Lake Cumberland region now into eastern Kentucky. Rainfall amounts overnight were relatively light, though we did see a period right around midnight, just past midnight, of some heavy rainfall that did fall, especially into central Kentucky. But most of that is exiting off towards the east. Look at those temperatures across the region. The cold front, the main cold front, is still to our west. You can start to see this colder temperature starting to move into areas like St. Louis. Earlier this morning, sitting into the 60s, but right now into the upper 40s. Here in Kentucky, though, we still have that mild air. Paducah's already at 66, already at 70 there in Nashville. We'll be reaching 70 in many areas right around lunchtime. 64 already in Monticello, 61 Somerset, 57 in the London-Corbin area. Winds are relatively calm right now, but will pick up as you head throughout the day today. And Futurecast shows clearing skies continuing by this afternoon. Many areas going to be seeing a lot of sunshine with temperatures, especially into southeast Kentucky, Lake Cumberland region. As you head towards the Mountain Parkway eastward, you'll likely reach the upper 70s pretty easily. Now, we will be tracking a pretty dry cold front that'll be sweeping through central Kentucky. Really depends on if it moves through during the peak daytime heating hours today. So if it moves through around 3, 4 o'clock, areas just west of Frankfort, you're not going to see quite as warmer temperatures as what we'll see off towards the south and the east. So going to be a fine line there still, regardless, into the 70s, so that'll be feeling nice. Now that front exits tonight into your early Friday morning, and thus we'll see temperatures much colder, only into the low to mid 30s for a lot of areas. And we could see actually early Friday morning some light rain into southern Kentucky, but outside of that, pretty calm conditions. Today, those showers continue to exit. Sunny and warm conditions on the way the rest of the day. 77 at that high here in Lexington. Dropped that a degree. Some latest model data showing we could be a little bit cooler today than what we originally anticipated. Still warm regardless. Tonight, 34. Temperatures drop with a few rain showers possible into southern Kentucky as that front exits. Saturday and Sunday, both featuring some rain chances. Not going to be a complete washout, but be ready for some rain maybe early Saturday and then once again late in the day on Sunday.